Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to stop photos from going to your Google Cloud. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your mobile device and then go ahead and find the Photos app or Google Photos app. Just tap on it, wait for it to open, and once it's opened, go ahead and go to the top right, tap on your profile, and then here, go ahead and tap on Backup. Alright, just tap on it. And here you have the setting to turn off the automatic backup. All right. Go to tap on the slider and it says here backup is off. After that, tap on the gear icon and make sure the backup here as well is turned off. That's basically how you do it. And when you check your profile, there will be a cloud with a slash. That means that the backup is turned off. Okay. And if you want to, you can go ahead and uninstall the Photos app as well, like so. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.